Are you tired of a cluttered workspace filled with gadgets you barely use? Imagine transforming that chaos into a serene, minimalist tech setup that boosts your productivity and brings you peace of mind. In our fast-paced lives, distractions are everywhere. A clean and organized workspace helps you focus better, reduces stress, and makes work more enjoyable. By simplifying your tech, you can create a calming environment that fosters creativity and efficiency. 1. Start by determining which gadgets you truly need. Assess your daily tasks and choose devices that enhance your productivity. For instance, a reliable laptop, a quality monitor, and perhaps a tablet for on-the-go tasks might be all you require. 2. Commit to decluttering consistently. Each month, review your gadgets and let go of anything that doesn't serve a purpose. This practice keeps your setup fresh and functional. 3. Utilize organizers or cable management solutions to maintain tidiness. A simple cable box can conceal unsightly cords, giving your workspace a clean appearance. Consider using trays or drawer organizers for smaller tech gadgets. 4. Opt for devices that serve multiple purposes. For example, a printer that also scans and copies can save space and reduce the number of gadgets you need. 5. Stick to a cohesive color scheme. Neutral tones and natural materials can foster a peaceful atmosphere. Thoughtful decor can make your workspace feel welcoming and inspiring. Examine your workspace and list the gadgets you use daily. Identify 2 or 3 devices you can part with right now. Spend a few minutes organizing your cables and chargers using simple tools like clips or ties. Be mindful of the temptation to keep gadgets just in case. If you haven't used something in the last 6 months, it's likely time to let it go. Additionally, avoid overcrowding your desk. Leave some clear space to encourage creativity. You don't need a lot of gadgets to create a productive workspace. Start small, focus on what truly matters, and enjoy the tranquility that comes with a minimalist setup. If you found these tips helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more content creation magic. Feeling overwhelmed by a messy workspace? Want to boost your productivity and create a calming atmosphere? Let's dive into how a minimalist tech gadget setup can completely transform your workspace. In our fast-paced lives, distractions are everywhere, and a cluttered workspace can lead to stress and hinder your focus. By simplifying your tech gadgets, you can cultivate a peaceful, organized environment that enhances your concentration and efficiency. 1. Start by evaluating your current tech setup. Do you really need that extra monitor or all those cables? Focus on gadgets that serve a clear purpose. Often, a laptop, a quality webcam, and a streamlined keyboard are all you need to get the job done. 2. Once you've selected your essential gadgets, it's time to organize them. Use simple storage solutions like cable organizers and desk trays. Keeping charging cables neatly tucked away avoids tangles and makes it easier to find your gadgets. 3. Look for gadgets that can perform multiple functions. For instance, a tablet can be used for note-taking, reading, or even as a second screen. This helps reduce the number of devices on your desk and minimizes clutter. 4. Set up a specific area for your tech, including your computer, phone, and other gadgets. Having a defined space helps keep distractions at bay and makes it easier to get into work mode. 5. Consider incorporating calming elements into your workspace, like a plant, a soothing color palette, or good lighting. These small touches can significantly enhance your work experience. Start by decluttering your desk and removing anything non-essential. Invest in simple organizers for cables and small items. Consider replacing old gadgets with multifunctional ones. Dedicate a few minutes each week to tidy up your workspace. A common mistake is holding on to gadgets just in case. If you haven't used something in months, it's time to let it go. Also, avoid complicating your setup with too many devices. Remember, less is often more. Creating a minimalist tech gadget setup can truly transform your workspace into a peaceful and productive environment. So, what are you waiting for? Start decluttering today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own tips in the comments below. Hey everyone! Are you feeling overwhelmed by all the tech gadgets cluttering your workspace? Let's simplify and create a minimalist tech setup that enhances your focus and boosts productivity. In our fast-paced world, distractions are everywhere. A cluttered workspace makes it tough to concentrate. By choosing only the essential gadgets, you can cultivate a calm environment that keeps your attention on what truly matters. 1. Start by determining which gadgets you genuinely need. Do you really require a laptop, a quality pair of headphones, and perhaps a tablet? Keep only the items you use daily and truly love. 2. Look for gadgets that serve multiple purposes. For instance, a wireless charger that also holds your phone saves space and keeps your tech organized. 3. Invest in a simple tech organizer. A small drawer or a cable management box can work wonders. Neatly arranged cords and devices significantly enhance the calmness of your workspace. 4. It's not just about physical items. Dedicate a day to tidy up your digital files. Unsubscribe from emails you no longer read and organize your desktop. A clean digital space can greatly improve your workflow. 5. Set aside a few minutes each week to reassess your workspace. Ensure everything is in its proper place and that you're using only what you need. This will help keep distractions at bay. Avoid overcomplicating your setup. It's easy to feel like you need the latest gadgets. Remember, the goal is to simplify, so resist the urge to buy every new tech item that comes out.